Hi, I'm Kim Strong, inventor of Ciao Baby, the go-anywhere high chair. Ciao Baby is a practical solution for active families with small children. Ciao Baby simply unfolds, locks into place, and folds back up in seconds. It's an all one-piece solution that requires no table, chairs, or any other mechanism to work. It's a freestanding chair. Find us on Facebook or visit our website.
Hello again, Courtney here, and today I'll introduce you to our fantastic new high chair, the Joovy Nook. But this is the brand new redesigned version. We took all the great features of the original Nook and kept those. Plus, we read your reviews and we made this one better. Today, my friend Sarah is going to help show off the Nook with her son Declan. Hi. So let's review the Nook's primary features. Everyone's first comments are always stylish and modern, but I think its functionality is way more important than its looks. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to store. Take a look at the swing open tray. Sarah can actually hold Declan in one arm, carry a plate of food, set that down on the tray, and open it up, and then put Declan in the seat. The Nook actually creates more space in your kitchen. The new tray is larger and includes a dishwasher-safe insert. FYI, you can remove the swing open tray fully. Okay, now the biggest improvement over the previous Nook is the adjustable tray. We've added 4 positions so that you can get it just right. The leatherette seat is beautiful. It comes in 3 colors and wipes clean. It'll look great in any home. Finally, the Nook folds just like a beach chair, so you can take it on the go. Ready? Yep. Actually, we gotta go.
Innovative pop and fold setup with an over-the-shoulder bag. Whenever you need a place for baby to sit, just pop it open. It's made of machine washable fabric. Just remove the seat and throw in the washer. The tray is dishwasher safe. For safety, there's a 3-point harness and a wide base with no-slip rubber feet. As an added convenience, there's also a rear storage pocket. The Summer Infant Pop and Sit Portable High Chair.
From infant to big kid. From infant floor seat to big kid table and chair, this high chair has the right seat for each of baby's stages. The infant floor seat is the perfect first seat for baby. As baby grows, transition to the full-size high chair that includes stain-resistant and machine-washable fabrics. To bring baby to the table, use the infant booster with a dining room chair, which becomes a toddler booster to grow with baby. Floor to table can also convert into an elevated youth stool and can even transform into a table and chair for your big kid. It can also seat 2 kids at once to grow with your family. With 7 growing stages from infant floor seat to big kid table and chair, floor to table is the perfect seat for every stage, with additional features to provide comfort for baby and convenience for you.